iOS 27 Beta 1 is now finally out. There are many small and hidden things with this update, and one of them was found in the code of iOS 27. So, according to Aaron on Twitter, iOS 27 code mentioned something called finance lock. This is the exact code, as you can see. So, what is this exactly? If an iPhone is purchased through a carrier and if the financial bill of that iPhone is not paid, the carrier will most likely blacklist that phone. Right now, that blacklisted iPhone continues to work normally, of course without any cellular support, but that is going to change soon. After this iOS 27 update, Apple is laying down the framework that could end the sale and purchase of such iPhones. Once a carrier sends the blacklisted data to Apple, iPhone will be remotely locked until its financial bill is paid off. In this code, Apple is calling this feature as Finance Lock. The main heading will be like this that says iPhone locked, and under it you'll see a small description that will say this iPhone is under contract and cannot be sold. What are your thoughts? Do you have an iPhone with such restrictions? If yes, then let me know in the comments. It'll be interesting to check out. If you're going to buy a used iPhone, just make sure in iPhone settings it should say no SIM restrictions. You can find it out in the About section of iPhone. Once this feature gets tested and goes live, millions of iPhones which have been reported as stolen or blacklisted, or if their finances are not paid, they will just simply get locked. And the only way to get such an iPhone unblocked would be to clear all those finances. This screen will be something like when someone remotely locks an iPhone, you get this screen. Once again, this is just a start, and even if you have an unpaid or blacklisted iPhone, it might work normally with iOS 27 beta. But Apple is clearly laying down the framework so this feature becomes available around the public rollout. I think Apple won't remove it later on. If that was the case, they wouldn't have added it in the first place. What are your thoughts? Do you have an iPhone with such restrictions? If yes, then let me know in the comments. It'll be interesting to check out.